Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here. So today I'm going to be going over practice test 6 math calculator. And here we're looking at question number 30, which, as you know, at this point, if you're on practice test 6, is the hardest question on the test. Then it switches over to free response, again, order of difficulty. So question 38 is going to be the hardest of those sections. But here we've got a scatter plot, which just means some points that are plotted in a graph. And it shows the amount of electric energy generated in millions of megawatt hours by nuclear sources over a 10-year period. I can see that the time in years is being plotted along the x-axis and the energy is being plotted along the y-axis, and I notice that the scales are different. We always want to look at the scales. So it says, of the following equations, which best models the data in the scatter plot? I quickly do a vertical scan, which you know what that is if you're on test 6 and you've been watching my videos. Quickly do a vertical scan, and I can see these are all quadratic. And I would say that, yes, this kind of models a quadratic function. And it appears that the data rises then falls, which means that if it's a quadratic in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, y equals, a would need to be negative if it's going to open down like that. So that helps me to get rid of a and b. A and c. So I can see my a's here are both negative, so now I've got my b and my d to work with. Then the only thing that's different that I can really pay attention to is the y-intercept, so c. So let's remember that c is the y-intercept, and that'll be important for us. And in this case, my y-intercept seems like it's going to be somewhere between 760 and 740, but a positive value. So this one has a negative y-intercept, so I would get rid of b, my answer being D. So let's just review that the idea of a quadratic function is going to be very important on this test. You want to feel very comfortable with the relationship of A and that C is the y-intercept. You might also want to feel comfortable finding the x-intercepts if you need them by setting it equal to 0 and either solving by factoring or completing the square or the quadratic formula. But quadratics are seen throughout the SAT test, so we are going to want to feel comfortable with those concepts. All right, hopefully that was helpful, and if you liked it, give me a like on YouTube. Have a great day.